Have you ever wondered how far your online purchases can reach? From the comfort of your home, you can shop for goods and services from all corners of the globe. But what about the companies behind these transactions? How do they ensure seamless payments across borders? Today, we're diving into the world of Paysafe and exploring the vast reach of its payment solutions. Global payments. In today's interconnected world, payments are no longer confined to local boundaries. Businesses, whether small or large, need to cater to customers from all over the globe. This is where payment service providers like Paysafe come into play. They offer a range of solutions that enable businesses to accept payments from customers in various countries. The Paysafe story. Paysafe is a leading global payment service provider that offers a comprehensive suite of payment solutions. Founded in 2000, Paysafe has grown to become a trusted name in the industry. With a strong focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, Paysafe has expanded its operations to reach customers worldwide. The Paysafe Network. Global footprint. Paysafe has established a significant presence in numerous countries around the world. This extensive network allows businesses to accept payments from customers in a wide range of regions. Whether you're targeting markets in Europe, North America, Asia, or beyond, Paysafe can help you reach your audience. Key markets. While Paysafe operates in many countries, it has a particularly strong presence in certain key markets. These markets include Europe. Paysafe has a deep understanding of the European payment landscape and offers a variety of solutions tailored to the needs of European businesses and consumers. North America. The United States and Canada are important markets for Paysafe, and the company provides a comprehensive range of payment options to serve customers in these regions. Asia. Paysafe has been expanding its operations in Asia, leveraging its expertise to meet the growing demand for payment solutions in this dynamic region. Local partnerships. To ensure a seamless experience for customers in different countries, Paysafe often partners with local banks, financial institutions, and payment processors. These partnerships enable Paysafe to offer payment methods that are familiar and convenient to customers in each region. Paysafe's payment solutions. Diverse offerings. Paysafe offers a wide range of payment solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Some of its key offerings include e-wallets. Paysafe provides access to popular e-wallets like Skrill and Nettler, allowing customers to make quick and secure online payments. Prepaid cards. Paysafe offers prepaid cards that can be used for online and offline purchases, providing a convenient and secure payment option. Payment gateways. Paysafe's payment gateways enable businesses to accept payments from a variety of sources, including credit cards, debit cards, and alternative payment methods. Merchant acquiring. Paysafe offers merchant acquiring services, allowing businesses to process payments directly from customers. Tailored solutions. Paysafe works closely with businesses to understand their specific needs and provide tailored payment solutions. Whether you're a small online retailer or a large enterprise, Paysafe can offer the right tools to help you grow your business. The benefits of Paysafe. Global reach. By partnering with Paysafe, businesses can tap into a vast global market and reach customers in countries around the world. Security and reliability. Paysafe is committed to providing secure and reliable payment solutions. The company employs advanced security measures to protect customer data and ensure the integrity of transactions. Convenience. Paysafe's payment solutions are designed to be convenient for both businesses and customers. From easy integration to a wide range of payment options, Paysafe makes it simple to accept and process payments. Customer support. Paysafe offers excellent customer support to help businesses with any questions or issues they may encounter. The company's dedicated support team is available to assist customers around the clock. Paysafe has established a strong presence in numerous countries around the world, offering a comprehensive range of payment solutions to businesses of all sizes. By partnering with Paysafe, businesses can benefit from global reach, security, convenience, and excellent customer support. If you're looking to expand your business to new markets or improve your payment processing capabilities, Paysafe can help. Visit the Paysafe website to learn more about their solutions and how they can benefit your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.